This is the thermocouple experiment using potentiometer. Let's see how to do the connections. First of all, this battery eliminator, positive of battery eliminator is connected with the potentiometer point A. Then point A is connected to the thermocouple. This is the Copper-Constantan thermocouple. Then negative of the supply is connected to the resistance box. The other end of the resistance box is connected to the potentiometer. Now the other end of the thermocouple is connected with the galvanometer, as you can see, and the other end of the galvanometer is connected with the jockey, which we are going to slide on the potentiometer to find the null point. So now we are switching this on. So desired resistance is removed, keys are removed from the resistance box. For example, for this we have removed 2000 ohms and 1000 ohms. So total resistance is 3000 ohms. And now if we see that the hot plate is on, now this is already hot. The temperature of this will tell you temperature thing. Currently the temperature of hot junction is 220 centigrade. And now let's, using this jockey to the both the points, extreme points, let's see. One side it's showing 5, other side it's showing -6. So now we need to find out the null point at this temperature. So yeah, this is the null point. At this point, note down the centimeter of the wire. Starting from the A point, it's 100, then again 100, and then it's 9. So that means 209 centimeter is the resistance. So this is how we need to take the readings for different temperatures. Now what we can do, we can stop this hot plate and the falling temperature is noted after every 10 degrees or after every 20 degrees. Note down the corresponding this potentiometer wire length and note it in the observation table and find out the calibration graph. Thanks for watching the video.